Welcome to Talk Smart English podcast. I'm your host, Laiba. Here, we learn English in a simple, fun, and smart way.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk Smart English podcast. I'm your host, Laiba, and I am very happy to spend time with you today. Today's topic is very special and very useful. We are going to talk about real English practice, healthy habits, a happy life. In this podcast, you will practice simple and real English. At the same time, you will learn about healthy habits that can improve your daily life. Healthy habits are very important. They help our body feel strong. They help our mind stay calm and happy. Good habits can also give us more energy, better sleep, and more confidence. Many people want a happy life, but sometimes they forget that happiness starts with small daily habits. Simple things like drinking water, sleeping on time, eating healthy food, exercising, and thinking positively can make a big difference. This podcast is also great for English learners. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. We will use easy words, simple sentences, and clear ideas. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the learning process. You can listen to this podcast while walking, relaxing, studying, or drinking tea or coffee. Try to repeat some sentences after me. This will help you improve your speaking and pronunciation skills. Remember, learning English is like building a healthy habit. You improve little by little every day. Small practice brings big success. So take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin our journey toward healthy habits and a happy life together. Healthy habits. Let's get started. But first, what are healthy habits? Healthy habits are good actions that we do every day to keep our body and mind healthy. These habits help us feel strong, active, calm, and happy. Healthy habits are usually simple things. They are not always difficult. Small daily actions can create a big positive change in our life. For example, drinking enough water is a healthy habit. Sleeping on time is a healthy habit. Eating fresh food, exercising, smiling, and thinking positively are also healthy habits. Good habits help us in many ways. They improve our health. They improve our mood. They help us work better, study better, and feel better. On the other hand, unhealthy habits can make life difficult. Eating too much junk food, sleeping very late, sitting all day, or feeling negative all the time can affect our body and mind. Healthy habits are important for both physical health and mental health. Physical health means taking care of your body. For example, eating healthy food, exercising, sleeping well, drinking water. Mental health means taking care of your mind and emotions. For example, staying calm, relaxing, talking to good friends, thinking positively. A healthy life is not about being perfect. It is about making better choices little by little every day. Let's practice some simple English sentences together. Repeat after me. Healthy habits help us live a better life. Small habits can create big changes. I want a healthy and happy life. Good habits make me feel strong and positive. Very good. Remember, you do not need to change your whole life in one day. Start with one small, healthy habit. Then slowly add more good habits to your daily routine. Step by step, your life can become healthier, happier, and more peaceful. The morning is a very important part of the day. A good morning routine can help us feel active, fresh, and positive. Many successful and healthy people start their day with simple good habits. The first healthy habit is waking up early. Waking up early gives us more time to prepare for the day. It also helps our mind feel calm and organized. When you wake up early, you do not need to rush. You can start your day slowly and peacefully. After waking up, it is good to drink a glass of water. Our body needs water after sleeping all night. Drinking water in the morning can help the body wake up. It can also give us energy and freshness. Another healthy morning habit is stretching or light exercise. You do not need to do difficult exercises. Simple stretching, walking, or light movement is enough. Exercise helps the blood move in the body. It also helps us feel more active and happy. Some people enjoy morning walks. Others like yoga, running, or simple home exercises. After exercise, it is important to eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast gives us energy for school, work, or study. A healthy breakfast may include eggs, fruit, bread, milk, or oatmeal. Skipping breakfast can make us feel tired later in the day. Another important morning habit is positive thinking. Many people start their day with stress or negative thoughts, but a positive mindset can change the whole day. You can say simple positive sentences like, Today will be a good day. I can do my best. I am learning and improving every day. These small positive thoughts can help you feel confident and calm. Now let's practice some easy English sentences together. Repeat after me. I wake up early every morning. I drink water after waking up. Exercise gives me energy. I eat a healthy breakfast. I start my day with positive thoughts. Excellent. Morning habits are very powerful. When your morning starts well, your whole day often feels better. Even small morning changes can improve your health, eating habits, and daily life. Food is very important in our life. The food we eat gives energy to our body and mind. Healthy eating does not mean eating expensive food. It means choosing good and balanced food for our health. Fresh fruits and vegetables are very healthy. They give us vitamins and help our body stay strong. Fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes are good for the body. Vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, spinach, and broccoli are also very healthy. Protein is another important part of healthy eating. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and milk help build a strong body. Drinking enough water is also very important. Water helps the body work properly. It keeps us fresh and active. Many people enjoy junk food and fast food. Foods like chips, burgers, candy, and soft drinks may taste good, but too much junk food is not healthy. Too much sugar and oily food can make us feel tired and unhealthy. Healthy eating is also about balance. You do not need to stop eating your favorite foods completely. You just need to eat them in moderation. Eating meals on time is another good habit. Skipping meals can make the body weak and tired. A healthy body can help us study better, work better, and feel happier. Now let's practice some simple English sentences together. Repeat after me. Fresh food is good for our health. I try to eat healthy meals. Vegetables and fruits are important. Too much sugar is not healthy. Water keeps the body fresh. Very good. Remember, small food choices can create big health changes. Healthy eating is one step toward a happy and physical activity. Exercise is very important for a healthy body and a healthy mind. When we move our body, we become more active, strong, and fresh. Exercise also helps reduce stress and improve our mood. The good news is, exercise does not always mean going to a gym. You can do many simple activities at home or outside. For example, walking is a very easy exercise. You can walk in the morning, in the evening, or even after meals. Running is also a good exercise if you have more energy. It helps your heart stay strong and healthy. Some people like cycling, some people like yoga or stretching. Even simple home exercises can be very helpful. The most important thing is to move your body every day. Try not to sit for too long without movement. Exercise helps in many ways. It gives us energy. It makes our body strong. It improves sleep. It reduces stress. It makes us feel happy. When you exercise regularly, your body becomes more active and your mind becomes more positive. Now let's practice some simple English sentences. Repeat after me. I do exercise every day. Walking is a simple exercise. Exercise keeps my body healthy. I feel happy after exercise. My body becomes strong and active. Very good. Remember, you do not need to do hard exercise. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily movement can make a big difference in your health. Small steps every day can lead to a strong and healthy mind and positive thinking. A healthy life is not only about a healthy body, it is also about a healthy mind. Our thoughts and feelings affect our daily life. If we think positively, we feel more happy, calm, and confident. But if we think negatively all the time, we may feel stress, sadness, or tiredness. That is why positive thinking is a very powerful habit. Positive thinking means looking at life in a hopeful way. It does not mean ignoring problems. It means trying to find solutions instead of worrying too much. For example, if something is difficult, you can say, I will try my best. I can learn from this. This is a chance to improve. These small thoughts can change your mood and your energy. Another important habit for a healthy mind is relaxation. You can relax by taking deep breaths, listening to soft music, going for a walk, spending time in nature, talking to a good friend. Talking to friends and family is also very helpful. Sharing your feelings can reduce stress. Smiling is another simple but powerful habit. When you smile, your brain feels more relaxed and happy. Now let's practice some simple English sentences together. Repeat after me. I choose positive thinking. I stay calm and relaxed. I can handle challenges. I feel peaceful and happy. I smile every day. Very good. Remember, a healthy mind creates a happy life. When your thoughts are positive, your life also becomes English learning. Learning English is also a kind of healthy habit because it improves your mind, your confidence, and your future. If you want to become good at English, you must practice every day. Small daily practice is better than long study once in a while. One important habit is listening to English daily. You can listen to podcasts, videos, or simple conversations. Listening helps your ears understand English better. Another habit is reading simple English texts. You can read short stories, articles, or easy books. Reading helps you learn new words and sentences. Speaking is also very important. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. You can speak English with yourself in front of a mirror. You can also repeat sentences from podcasts or videos. Writing is another good habit. You can write a few sentences every day about your day or thoughts. The most important thing is consistency. Consistency means doing something every day, even for a short time. Just like healthy food and exercise, English practice also needs regular habits. Now let's practice some simple English sentences. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I listen and learn new words. I speak without fear. I improve step by step. I am confident in English. Very good. Remember, English learning is a journey, not a race. Small daily practice will slowly make you stronger in a simple daily routine. This will help you understand how healthy habits can be part of your real life. A healthy day can start like this. In the morning, you wake up early. You do not stay in bed too long. You start your day with fresh energy. Then you drink a glass of water. This helps your body wake up. After that, you do some light exercise or stretching. Even a short walk is enough to activate your body. Then you eat a healthy breakfast. This gives you energy for the whole morning. After that, you can study or go to school or work. During the day, try to drink enough water and take short breaks. You can also practice English for a few minutes. Listen, speak, or read something simple. In the evening, you can go for a walk or relax your body. Spend some calm time without stress. At night, try to avoid too much phone use. This helps your mind relax better. Then sleep early so your body can rest properly. Now let's practice some simple sentences. Repeat after me. I follow a healthy daily routine. I wake up early and stay active. I eat healthy food and drink water. I practice English every day. I sleep early and feel fresh. Very good. Remember, a good routine does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. Small, healthy habits every day create a strong and happy life. And I want to give you some motivation. Remember, small steps can change your life. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. If you start one healthy habit today, your life can slowly become better. Maybe you start drinking more water. Maybe you start walking every day. Maybe you start practicing English for 10 minutes. These small actions may look simple, but they are very powerful. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different journey. Just focus on your own progress. Even small improvement is success. If you make a mistake, do not stop. Learn from it and try again. Healthy habits and English learning both need patience and consistency. Now repeat after me. I believe in myself. I improve every day. I can build healthy habits. I can learn English step by step. I choose a happy and healthy life. Very good. Remember, your future is created by your daily habits. Start small, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Thank you so much for listening to Talk Smart English Podcast. I really hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Today we talked about healthy habits and a happy life. We also practiced simple English sentences together. I hope you learned something useful that you can use in your daily life. Remember, healthy habits are not difficult. They are small actions that we do every day. And English learning is also the same. Small practice every day brings big improvement. Try to apply at least one healthy habit from today's lesson. And also try to practice English a little every day. Do not rush. Just keep going step by step. You are improving more than you think. If you enjoyed this podcast, keep practicing with me in the next episode. We will continue learning simple and real English together. Until then, take care of your health, stay positive, and keep learning. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Talk Smart English. Take and goodbye, everyone, and see you soon.